In this quick start guide, we'll explain how to use Ultimaker Cura 3.0 to prepare your model for 3D printing. When opening the software for the first time, you will enter the Add Printer wizard. Select your printer from the list. For this guide, we will select the Ultimaker 3. If your printer is connected over your local network, it will be presented in a list. Select it and click Connect. The software will ask if you want to synchronize your Ultimaker 3 configuration over the network. Click Yes to automatically detect the print cores and materials that are installed in your printer. To give the software full access to the printer, accept the connection request displayed on the Ultimaker 3 display. Open one or more models by clicking the Open File button in the left toolbar. All major 3D file types, including STL, OBJ, X3D, and 3MF are supported. The model will open in the 3D viewer. Left-click to highlight the model. Use the adjustment tools to position, scale, and rotate it. The Move tool is selected by default. This lets you position your model on the build plate. Move your model by dragging it or input specific coordinates. The Scale tool lets you scale the model in various ways. Set a specific size in millimeters, set a percentage of the original model size, or drag the handles in the 3D viewer. Reset the model scale by using the Reset button. The Rotate tool lets you rotate the model in any direction by dragging the hoops in the 3D viewer. Snap rotating is enabled by default. Hold Shift and drag to disable it. You can also choose to lay the model flat or to reset it to its original orientation. You can mirror the model on all of its axes using the Mirror tool. Printer settings are displayed in the top right corner of the sidebar. Depending on your printer, you can set materials, nozzle size, or print cores. Make sure these settings match your physical setup for the best print results. Since the software is connected to the Ultimaker 3 over the network, the materials and print cores are synchronized automatically. Recommended mode is ideal for first-time users. It has 4 simple options to configure the printing profile. The Print Quality slider. Use this to set the layer height and print speed. A slower print speed means higher print quality. The Infill Density slider. The denser the infill, the stronger the model. A checkbox to enable or disable support generation. Generating support material is often useful for models with bridges and sharp overhangs. A checkbox to enable or disable build plate adhesion. Using build plate adhesion is useful to prevent your model warping on the build plate. The software will automatically slice the model. Slicing progress is shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. All print settings are now set. You can preview the result in the 3D viewer. The drop-down box at the top right of the 3D viewer lets you select the 3D viewer mode. To see the different layers of your model, change the view mode from solid to layers. The layer slider has 3 components. The top and bottom handles can be dragged to set the visible layer range. The solid part of the slider can be used to drag that layer range up and down to scroll through the printing strategy. The layer number box can be used to jump to a specific layer. Use the arrow keys on your keyboard to move up and down between layers. All colors represent a certain model part, making it easier to analyze the printing strategy. Additional information about the print job is shown at the bottom right of the screen, such as the file name, the model size, estimated print time, and estimated material usage. When you are happy with the preview, save the file or print directly from the software. Click Save to File, Save to Removable Disk, or Print over Network at the bottom right corner of the screen. That's it. You're all set and ready to start 3D printing. Thank you for choosing Ultimaker.